Hello Bitcoin world, it's Brian here, the UK Bitcoin Master, back with another video in my series Bitcoin for Beginners. Today's Monday the 19th of November 2018, and as always, have a strong hand. You need to have a strong hand, most definitely, with the activity that we've had over the previous week. As always, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, do bash the bell button so you get any notifications when I post any videos, and as always, follow me across all the social media platforms, be that Steemit, Bit.Tube, DTube, obviously Twitter at UK Bitcoin Master. Follow the YouTube channel and always check out the note sections below, guys. There are always pertinent links to this show, to my Bitcoin Master archive, so you can watch all of my other videos. There are links there to get a Trezor, to register with LocalBitcoins or Coinbase, buy t-shirts. Everything's down there, so always check out the notes section below. Today I want to talk to you about what is going on in the Bitcoin space. Now, as you are all probably fully aware, back end of last week we had a split or a fork with Bcash or Bitcoin Cash, and there was a lot of animosity going on between the members of that community. Of course, that then went out through the media, and of course, as the fork happened, it bashed the price of Bitcoin, it dumped the price of Bitcoin, and it's gone down quite a bit. Now, that's quite normal because you see, everything in this space is cyclical. Whenever there is something going on somewhere, the untrained, the unknowledgeable people think that Bitcoin's dying. And it isn't. And all I want to do on this show is get that point over. Bcash is nothing to do with Bitcoin. Bcash is a fork of Bitcoin that forked off. It has got centralized figures. Bitcoin hasn't. Their protocol is not our protocol. But the price is going to go down. And while the price goes down, it's okay. Have a strong hand because the price will bounce back again. The price went down a few years ago with the Mt. Gox hack, and everyone said Bitcoin was dead. And then it went from a few dollars to a few $100s, then a few $100 after another crash to maybe $4,000. So I'm not worried at all about what's gone on within the Bcash community. I'm just worried about helping as many people as I can have a strong hand to understand the fundamentals of what makes Bitcoin so strong and why price fluctuations don't matter. They really don't matter. You see, one Bitcoin will always be worth one Bitcoin. So your role is to accumulate Bitcoin, whether that's with some money you've got, whether you set up a savings plan and you get a little bit each month. Your goal is not to measure this in fiat currency. You want to measure how much Bitcoin you've got. You want to aim for maybe 0.1 of a Bitcoin, then 1 Bitcoin, then 2, then 5, then 10, or whatever you can get to, because Bitcoin going forward is only going to go up. But it just can't go up and up and up and up and up and up and up. It's got to have some pullbacks. It's got to have some retracements, as we call it. It's got to have some uncertainty and volatility until it gets to a point where the volatility will plateau out. But we're nowhere near that yet. So all Bcash has done is just made the crypto ecosystem volatile again, and everyone's going, oh dear, and they're selling their coins, whatever it is. And the thing is, when Bitcoin crashes, all the altcoins crash as well. So, you know, nothing's going to happen to Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin disappears, the whole ecosystem will completely disappear. So this video is about having that really strong hand. Buy some Bitcoin, get it off an exchange, whatever you do, and get it onto a Trezor hardware device. There's a link below where you can email me if you want me to set up a Trezor consultation with you to help you move your Bitcoin from an exchange onto your Trezor. I'm also really excited because this weekend just gone, I've just moved my Bcash and my Bgold from a paper wallet onto an Exodus wallet, and then I'll move it onto my Trezor. So that's another stage in my learning where I can now help people move Bcash and Bgold from a paper wallet. And once you understand it, actually it's quite simple to do. You just got to understand it. So don't panic, Mr. Mannering. Bitcoin's cool, the ecosystem's cool, there are still developments going on top of Bitcoin, Lightning Network, sidechains like Liquid. Bitcoin's going to move forward, it's having a hiccup, but you'll look back in a year, 2, 3, 5, 10, and this will be a blip on the landscape of where Bitcoin's going. So have a strong hand, guys. Don't get fudded out of your Bitcoin, whatever you do, because I'm telling you, you will live to regret it. That's our show for today. Just a quick one, guys. So thanks for watching. As always, bash the bell button. Like this, share it. If you're watching this on Steemit, do give us a re-steam and an upvote. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll catch you all on the next video. This is Brian, the UK Bitcoin Master, signing off.